How to buy Solana on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Solana in the easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Binance website and this is the home page as you can see. Then you have to log into your account or register from here, and after that go to markets here, and then you will find the markets page. You will find all cryptos here and search for Solana. Here is it right here. If you didn't find it here, just search in the search bar here and click on it like this, and it will take you to this trading page. Now you have to make sure it's this option is on buy and choose the price that you want to invest or the amount of Solana that you want to buy, and after that click on buy now. Here you will find buy now not registered, because I'm not registered here right now. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.